In the morning, say, good morning. In the afternoon, after 12 o'clock, say, good afternoon. In the evening, after the sun sets, say, good evening. At night, before bedtime, say, good night. When meeting someone for the first time, say, hello. When saying goodbye, say goodbye. When expressing pleasure in meeting someone, say, nice to meet you. When wishing someone a good day, say, have a good day. When asking how someone is, say, how are you? When expressing gratitude, say, thank you. When offering assistance, say, can I help? When apologizing, say, I'm sorry.